Get ready to level up your workflow. We're diving deep into the top trending open-source dev tool projects that are redefining software architecture this week. We start with Better T-Stack, the modular TypeScript generator that guarantees end-to-end type safety across the full stack. Next, see how WhatsApp Web.js offers rich WhatsApp automation by leveraging the real WhatsApp web client. Plus, we look at Zen MCP server, which lets one agent orchestrate multiple specialized AI models while preserving crucial context. If you need flexibility, power, and efficiency, stick around.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1. Better T-Stack, type-safe modular TypeScript project generator. Better T-Stack is special because it gives developers the power to spin up a fully type-safe, modern TypeScript application, front-end, back-end, API, and all, without locking them into choices they don't want. It's a generator that keeps things clean, modular, and configurable. What makes Better T-Stack unique is its pick-what-you-need philosophy. You aren't forced into a monolithic stack. You choose the front-end framework, React, Next.js, Svelte, Vue Next, Solid, or no front-end at all. The back-end, Hono, Express, Elysia, Next API routes, or none. The API layer, Tor APC, ORPC, or none. The runtime, Node, Bun, Cloudflare workers. The database, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MongoDB, SQLite, or none. And the ORM, Prisma, Drizzle, Mongoose, or none. This flexibility means you avoid unnecessary bloat and tailor your project to exactly what your idea needs. Another standout is the guaranteed end-to-end type safety, from front-end UI to back-end logic to database layer. Because types are shared and enforced across boundaries, many classes of bugs are caught early or eliminated entirely. And because it uses up-to-date dependencies by default, you start with a solid modern foundation rather than lagging versions. Better T-Stack also emphasizes minimal templates and zero bloat. The scaffolding you get is lean, essential boilerplate only, nothing unnecessary. That keeps your project more maintainable and easier to evolve. It also supports modern tooling and add-ons like TurboRepo, PWA, desktop or mobile, via Tauri or Expo, linting, Git hooks, and documentation support. So if your project grows, it can scale cleanly. In short, Better T-Stack is unique because it offers a flexible, type-safe, and modern scaffolding experience that adapts to your needs. You don't get a rigid template. You get a custom foundation built from choices you control. Start lean, stay safe via types, and evolve only as your app grows. Project number 2, WhatsApp Web.js, browser-backed WhatsApp automation for Node.js. WhatsApp Web.js distinguishes itself by leveraging the real WhatsApp web client under the hood to give developers access to nearly full WhatsApp functionality without needing a private API or official access. It automates a browser instance via Puppeteer to behave like a user session, which lets it interact with WhatsApp Web just as if a person was using it. Because of that, it reduces the risk of using unofficial APIs, as it connects through the official web interface. What makes WhatsApp Web.js unique is how rich and complete its feature set is. It supports sending and receiving text messages, images, audio, documents, video, stickers, contact cards, and locations. It can also manage group interactions, creating groups, changing group settings, adding or kicking participants, promoting or demoting members, updating group info, and handle user presence and profiles. Because it mirrors the WhatsApp web client, many actions that are available through the regular WhatsApp web interface are also available via this library. Another standout is the support for multi-device mode, which allows the client to work without requiring your phone to stay online. This gives more flexibility and stability for long-running bots or applications. Finally, its open architecture and community adoption make it extensible and well-documented. Contributions and updates are frequent, and users can hook into events like incoming messages, group changes, or media receipt to build custom workflows. Overall, WhatsApp Web.js is unique because it gives developers powerful, nearly full-fledged access to WhatsApp media, groups, profiles, all through a browser-emulated approach, rather than relying on restricted or paid APIs. It gives flexibility, depth, and integration capability while staying close to the native WhatsApp experience. Project number 3, Chat-Vue, instant AI chat interface with Nuxt UI and Vercel AI SDK. Chat-Vue is a standout template that makes it simple to spin up a fully functional AI chat app without wrestling with UI design or integrations. What makes it unique is how neatly everything is wired together. Authentication, chat history, dynamic interface, and real-time streaming all come bundled in one cohesive package. Unlike piecing together separate libraries for UI, state, and chat logic, Chat-Vue uses Nuxt UI combined with the Vercel AI SDK to give you a polished chat client out of the box. That means things like light-dark theme toggling, sidebar layouts, chat sessions, and smooth transitions, all already handled. Its strength lies in that polished integration rather than discrete modular parts. Another aspect that makes Chat-Vue special is the user experience. From the moment someone logs in, their chat history is preserved, and they can smoothly toggle between conversations. You get features like keyboard shortcuts, collapsible panels, and a responsive layout that works across devices. It's not just functional, it feels like a mature chat product. Chat-Vue also supports multiple pages and organized navigation, not just a single chat screen. That helps when you want extra functionality like settings, profiles, or dashboard components alongside the core chat interface. All of that comes pre-wired so that your focus stays on custom logic or models, not rebuilding UI scaffolding. In short, Chat-Vue's uniqueness is this. It delivers a complete, elegant starting point for conversational apps, interface, history, auth, navigation, without needing to glue in components yourself. You get a refined, ready environment that feels like a product, so you can immediately layer your agent logic or custom model integrations on top. Project number 4, Zen MCP Server. Orchestrate multiple AI models with seamless context. Zen MCP Server is special because it turns your AI assistant like Claude into a smart conductor that calls in a team of other powerful models when needed. Instead of relying on one model for everything, it lets Claude stay as the main voice, but use models like Gemini, O3, Flash, or even local models to tackle subtasks where those models excel. The magic is in context preservation across model switching. Even when Claude's memory limits are hit or its session resets, Zen MCP ensures conversations don't break. Other models can remind Claude of what happened earlier, letting the flow continue naturally. This means you don't lose track, even in long or complex tasks. You don't have to re-upload files or re-explain earlier parts. Zen provides guided multi-model workflows. For example, you might ask Claude to review code. Claude will orchestrate a review using Gemini for deep architectural insights, O3 for logic checking, and then bring all findings back into a coherent result. Each model participates in the task where its strength shines, but everything remains in one conversation thread. Another standout is automatic model selection and flexibility. You can let Claude pick models automatically, or override and specify which model should handle a subtask. This gives you both power and control. Also, Zen supports local models via tools like ROMA or VLLM, so you can maintain privacy or reduce dependency on external APIs. It also solves one of the hardest limits in AI systems, context window constraints. By delegating heavy tasks or large document analysis to models with bigger context windows, Gemini or O3, Zen helps overcome Claude's token limit. Plus, Zen handles professional development tools out of the box, code review, debugging, refactoring, pre-commit validation, and more. In short, Zen MCP Server shines because it gives you the best of many models under one roof, preserving context, guiding workflows, and letting Claude stay central while leveraging specialized AI capabilities when needed. Project number 5, ROMA, Recursive Open Meta Agent Framework for Complex Reasoning. ROMA is special because it takes the idea of AI agents to a higher level by using a recursive hierarchical structure to handle complex problems. Rather than having a single agent try to do everything, ROMA breaks a big task into subtasks and assigns them across nested agents. That means when the goal is challenging, the system scales by spawning subagents, each tackling a piece, and then combining their results. What makes ROMA stand out is this parallelization plus transparency. By structuring reasoning as a tree of subproblems, ROMA allows each agent to work independently, but with clear context. You can trace how decisions were made at each branch, making it easier to adjust or debug. Also, this design helps in handling deeply layered tasks that require multiple steps of reasoning, planning, or data retrieval. Another unique aspect is how it maintains context engineering simplicity. Because tasks are broken down, the context each subagent works on is smaller and more manageable. You don't have to overload a single agent with the entire history or too many variables. Each subagent gets just what it needs. This means iteration and tweaking become faster, and modifications to parts of the system are less likely to break the whole. ROMA is still in beta, but it already shows promise in benchmarks and research communities. It aims to push performance in complex reasoning and multi-step workflows beyond what traditional monolithic agents do. Because of its meta-agent design, it can scale in both depth, nested reasoning, and breadth, parallel tasks, while keeping interpretability in focus. Overall, ROMA is unique because it transforms how AI agents manage complexity through recursive structure, parallel tasking, clear context partitioning, and traceable logic paths. It's built to handle the messy, layered reasoning challenges in real use cases without losing clarity or control. Project number 6, OpenEMR, the open-source medical practice and electronic health records platform. OpenEMR is more than just another medical record system. It's one of the most mature, flexible, and globally used open-source healthcare platforms, giving clinics and hospitals full control over their patient data, workflows, and integrations. What makes it unique is how it balances rich features, open governance, and global adaptability. First, OpenEMR provides a fully integrated suite: patient health records, scheduling, billing, clinical decision rules, lab integration, prescriptions, reporting, and much more, all in one place. Many systems force you to pick separate modules or pay for add-ons. OpenEMR gives you core healthcare workflows out of the box. It also supports internationalization. More than 30 languages are supported, so clinics around the world can use native languages and layouts. Another standout is data ownership and freedom. Because it's open source under the GPL, you host it yourself, control backups, customize modules, and integrate with local systems without being locked in. That freedom is rare in healthcare software, where so many commercial EHRs lock in you to their ecosystem. OpenEMR also stands out for certification and standards compliance. It is ONC Complete Ambulatory EHR certified, meaning it meets U.S. regulatory requirements for health records use and interoperability. Beyond U.S. standards, it supports standards like FHIR and HL7 for integration with other health systems. The community and extensibility make it shine over time. With a vibrant developer ecosystem, many vendors offer professional support, and a huge number of clinics already use it. New features, modules, audits, and localizations continue to come. You can add custom modules, integrate third-party lab systems, or build tailored workflows for specialty clinics. In short, what makes OpenEMR unique is its combination of enterprise-grade feature set, open freedom and ownership, regulatory compliance, and adaptability to any region. It is a powerful engine that empowers clinics to manage patients, billing, labs, and operations without being tied to a proprietary vendor. Project number 7, TradingAgents CN, Chinese optimized multi-agent AI for financial markets. TradingAgents CN is a sharpened, localized version of a multi-agent trading framework built specifically for Chinese users who want AI support in stock markets like A-share, Hong Kong, and US markets. What makes it unique is how it combines the power of multiple expert agents with deep localization, supporting Chinese language models, integrating local market data, adding tailored workflows, and giving you a robust agent system ready for real trading context. At its core, this tool splits roles among agents: analysts for fundamentals, sentiment, technicals, news, researchers debating bullish versus bearish views, risk controllers, and a trader agent that synthesizes all insights. This structure mirrors the way a real trading firm functions, but powered by AI. That means decisions aren't made by a single black box model. They're the outcome of coordinated reasoning across multiple specialized perspectives. What makes the Chinese version special is its native support for local models and markets. It adds integrations for Chinese AI providers like Baidu's Ernie, adapts to Chinese language, and works directly with A-share and Hong Kong stock datasets. TradingAgents CN also pushes for developer ergonomics and production readiness. It provides Docker deployment, a full developer toolchain, workflow templates, and standard configurations to make deployment easier. Plus, model configuration is flexible. You can switch between different LLM providers, configure endpoints, adapt adapters, and persist model switching choices. That flexibility lets you try multiple AI models, domestic or global, without rejiggering your whole architecture. Another differentiator is its reporting and export features. After running its analysis, you can export professional reports in formats like PDF or Word, making the insights shareable and practical. Because everything is built into this unified framework, from multi-agent reasoning, memory of past interactions, decision logic, model switching, to deployment support, users don't have to glue together several tools manually. In summary, TradingAgents CN stands out by combining the multi-agent trading philosophy with deep localization for Chinese markets and AI ecosystems, packaged with developer tools to go from concept to real experiment or deployment. If you want an AI trading framework that's built for Chinese users and global flexibility, this is one of the leading options today. We covered a massive amount of innovation today. Whether you are looking for a customizable foundation via Better T Stack or powerful multi-device automation through WhatsApp Web.js, the open source world has a solution. Let me know in the comments which tool you plan to integrate first. Hit that like button, subscribe, and find all the GitHub links below.